a gloomy day. Where's the sun?
There's sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Good morning. It's day 2 of our trip and we're all getting ready. I still gotta do my hair and I gotta change, but we're all packing up and we are leaving this house. We are gonna go on a cruise. Hi Sophia, good morning. Good morning, little one. Oh, I just almost toppled you over. Breakfast time, got some oatmeal and some water.
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
You should have told me. Let's go say with the little directors. No, it's yours and stuff it.
Action. Action. Yeah, we had to pile all our dirty sheets, linens, and towels there because this is a rental house. So the owner said just to leave it there in the middle so it's out in the open. I gotta say goodbye to this awesome bed and oh my gosh, I slept down here. It is amazing. It is so comfortable. One of like the softest mattresses I've ever slept on and I'm gonna miss it, so I think I'm gonna spend a little bit quality time with it. Got my backpack and we are leaving this house. Goodbye house. Goodbye snowman. Goodbye pie slice couch. You were comfortable. Goodbye Liz. You're staying here. Off to Miami.
If you look on the right side, guys, you'll see a person, a white guy.
Oh my god.
He looked like he's high. Look at his face.
Oh my god. That's Johnny vlogging.
And that's
Sorry,
the art
guys.
museum right there. You see that? It's awesome. Let's look at this guy again. Look at him. Look at his face. We're gonna be popping bottles tonight because we're gonna go and pop that bottle right there. See it? Look at this guy again. Look at his face. This is the vlogger.
I'm sorry, guys.
Watching another person vlogging.
I'm trying to navigate through Miami right now. It's been oh, gotta go. Gotta go. Why is everyone in a rush, man?
Because you was driving so slow.
Yeah, I'm driving steadily.
Oh, look at this building, so nice. Oh, look at that building, so nice. Oh, that's the stadium, right? The Heat, Miami Heat.
Beat the heat.
Oh, sick, yo. Look, guys, Bayside. That's where we're going.
I gotta poo.
This one gotta poo.
I need to. I didn't go this morning.
You want to poo on the ship?
Test out the...
I want to
Test
test it out.
the suction on the toilet.
What did you poo out at the house?
What house?
Okay, I think we should stop vlogging. Look at this. I just parked my car at like a parking garage service and they have a shuttle to go to the port and I dropped off everyone at the port already because I didn't want to take up a lot of the shuttle, so shuttle time. Thanks to David's crutches, we get VIP treatment here.
You are my hero.
You
are my hero.
Thanks, David. We going on a boat. We were there, now we here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
I'm excited too. My first cruise. You've been on cruise? Number 2. Hi. Oh, this is my first time on a cruise. I'm officially on a cruise boat. Here it is. First stop, food. Yo, buffets all day, day. Now our room isn't ready yet, so we're gonna get something to eat. Oh, wow, yeah, I want somewhere around here. Look at this view. It's gorgeous, it's Miami. It's Miami. First plate. Yo, this be my jam. This be my Windjammer. This place is called Windjammer, so I know I'm so funny. Luggage was delivered. Let's check out our room. Ta-da! We just got the inside room, so it's very tiny. But this will be our room. I'm sharing it with my aunt, and this is what we need. We're not gonna be in a room all the time, so this is nice. Don't touch that though. Don't touch that. Does your light work? Oh, you got it. Okay.
Wait, your light?
Yeah, why'd you shut mine off? You just came into my room and shut my light off. Why is this stuck? How do you, oh, there you go. I'm having problems with my room here. Oh, hi, and welcome to my crib. Was that funny, Sophia? Yes, it was funny. We checked our rooms, and now we are gonna go and explore up deck. Am I the only one in long sleeves here? See, I'm not the only one. It's cold, right? Yeah, he feels me. He feels me. Wow, look at this. Wow, I should have brought my GoPro. Crap.
Hey, Ethel, you're not the only one that's wearing something.
I know. I'm the only one, like, I feel like I'm the only one wearing a sweater. Freaking Floridian here. Massachusetts? Massachusetts? Floridian. So we haven't departed the port yet. That happens in about an hour and a half. So until then, this is our view. Partially. Look at that. So beautiful. It's a party. Drink of the day. Yes, thank you. Drink number one. That's good. Cheers, Liz. Cheers. We situated our seating arrangements, and now we're gonna go ahead and set sail. Goodbye, Miami. Goodbye. Vlog. Can you say vlog? I'm currently back in my room because my phone died, so I'm just charging. I gotta charge this camera too. I also want to look over the itinerary and just plan out everything. But I can definitely feel the movement of the boat. And I haven't really experienced anything like this before. I mean, I've been on small boats and I've felt everything, right? But this is a big boat. It's quite cool, and it's, I don't know, it's a different experience for me. I'm such a cruise noob. Anyway, we're gonna have dinner in about an hour, even though I'm still kind of full from the buffet. And I don't really know what we're gonna do later tonight. So we'll see what happens tonight. Up on deck right now, and it's quite windy, sorry for the boat has been rocking, and I just like fell asleep. We're gonna go to dinner now. Dinner time! This is a pumpkin bread. Look at that! I got myself escargot and a fish roulette for starters. I got two. The secret is you can order as much as you want during the dining, the sit-down dining. They don't tell you that, but you actually can. So I'm getting my money's worth by ordering as much as I can. and I'm gonna eat it all because I can. And for the entree, I got Atlantic salmon.
Mango.
Thank you.
That's so nice.
I know, looks like a snowman.
Okay.
I'm surprised at how well she's doing right now. Yeah, me too. No. After I just said it. Close enough, Sophia. This little girl's been munching all night. So Jamie and I are just exploring the buffet at night. Well, we just wanted to get some water, but then we saw dessert and this happened. Okay, I saw it first. I'm like, you know what? Let me just give it a little bit of taste. And then Jamie's like, okay, I'm gonna join too. Yeah, so I'm not proud of this, but I can't help it. I'm at a buffet. I am so full. I am very tired. It's almost 10 o'clock right now, but I've been up since 6:30 in the morning, so it's just been a long day. Everyone has returned to their room and we're all winding down. Tomorrow morning we're going to be in the Bahamas, which is exciting. However, I hear it's going to rain. It's supposed to rain throughout the whole time we're at the Bahamas, so we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed that it's nice out. I'm going to end this vlog, which you won't see for a while because there is no internet. I have no service, so it's been a little weird for me to, you know, not Snapchatting, Instagram, and all that stuff because I like to take pictures and all that. I've seen a lot of pictures, but they're all going to have to wait to be posted on Instagram when I get to the mainland, back to Florida. So that'll be in a couple days. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.